You may notice I'm wearing red, and that's because it feels like I'm Santa Claus today, bringing goodies to all the good people who watch my videos on YouTube or on my website, or who subscribe to my email list. And if you are not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe right now. And the reason that I feel like Santa Claus is because I know times are tough right now. Amazon has this second Prime Day sale going on, probably because they know times are tough and they're trying to make some money. And I know some people just need to see money right now. You can't afford to wait months or years while you build an email list and build a business and everything else. I get it. You need money now. And if you need money now, then I've got something that you are going to love in my review of Matt Garrett's Side Hustles. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammond. I'm known as the man with a hat. That's because I wear a fedora pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the very few people who can perform successfully. Well, me by my Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, and if you are not new, you know by now that my jokes are really, really bad jokes. They are, well, dad jokes aspire to be as bad as my jokes. They're boring. I get it. I'm a boring guy. What can I say? Hey, you can't get everything. At least you got the red suit, and I get to act like Santa today, right? But seriously, if you're new to the channel, what I do here is two things: review software and info products and make money online niche. And why would I do such a thing? My well, it's very, very simple to make sure that you don't end up buying much of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Bye, boy.
Okay, seriously, Bart. Seriously. You started this whole thing with the crap thing. Nobody likes it. Nobody wants to hear about it. That guy drives me crazy all the time. Yakety, 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 crap, 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 crap. Bart, enough. Anyway, but seriously, if you want to know the way things work, if I like it, I will give a tip of my hat to the Bart Creative. If I don't, better luck next time. I also do a live videos about my method and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Well, thank you, Liz Lemon. I see Liz. She's a sweetheart. I love Liz. Can't get angry at this lady. Very nice person. But anyway, seriously, if you want to make sure you smash that subscribe button at the bell icon to be notified by new videos, like this video, comment down below. Let's go ahead and get right into this. Just moving right now to the sales page for Matt1 Side Hustles version 2. That's quite a mouthful. I thought to call it Side Hustles from Matt Garrett. Matt is a good guy. He put together this package because he knows that people really need some ways of making money right away. And he's got some great stuff. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment so you can see what's actually included with this package. But before I do want to tell you about my custom bonus, because as always, I do have just about the best custom bonus you are ever going to see. So what I'm going to give you is like this. I'm going to give you 3 more ways of making real money right away. Okay, these are 3 additional methods that I'm going to hand over to you. The first one is going to be all about voiceovers, how you can do voiceovers. And I know a lot of people get nervous. They say, Eric, oh, I'm not a voiceover artist. It doesn't matter. Okay, literally anybody can make money doing this. And even if English is not your native language, that's actually a plus for you because you can do voiceovers in your own native language. So if you have a language other than English, you actually have more income potential than I do because almost everybody can do the English ones, but there's not a lot of people can do, for example, Spanish or Portuguese or Mandarin, or Italian or French, whatever it is. So you actually have an advantage over me. And I've done voiceovers a lot. I've made a lot of money doing them. They're actually very, very easy. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. I'm going to show you where to sell the service. I'm going to show you which software you can use completely for free to make this happen. I'm also going to show you how you can actually make money off of video editing, which again, I know a lot of people get to me, Eric, I know nothing about video editing. How the heck am I doing the video editing? It's super simple. You don't have to know anything. Okay, I'm going to train you exactly how to do it. It's going to take maybe half an hour of your time to learn how to do this stuff. I'm going to show you free software that you can use to do it with. And I'm going to give you all the tools that you need in order to make this happen. And I'm going to show you where to sell your services for video editing. And on top of that, I'm also going to show you a super simple method for selling what I call SEO services. SEO stands for search engine optimization. A lot of people really desperately need this. Every business on the internet needs this. Basically, it's a way of appearing higher in the search rankings. And the trouble is that a lot of people just don't know what to do with this. They don't understand it. It's very, very difficult to figure this out. But I'm going to show you a super simple method where you literally need to know nothing about SEO, like literally nothing about it. All you got to do is know how to click, and but that's pretty much it. Just how to click a link on a website. There's really nothing more to it than that. You can go ahead and basically I'm going to show you where to buy it from one place and sell it another place for more money. It is the simplest thing in the world. And the nice thing is you don't buy anything until you actually have a customer. So you're not investing a thing in order to make this work. Okay, you're going to get all those things. This is a $15 product from Matt. I'm going to show you the members area in just a moment. Do want to talk about the upgrade bonus. Pick up any upgrade to this package worth at least $20. I'm going to throw in 3 more methods of making money from content writing, from graphics design. Again, you don't need to know anything about it. And video sales letters. Again, you don't need to know anything about making these things. I'm going to show you everything you need to know and give you all the tools you need in order to make it happen. So you're going to get all six of those when you pick up any upgrade worth $20, because the first 3 completely for free when you pick up the basic package from me. If you pick up at least 2 upgrades worth at least $50, then I'm also going to throw in my SEO explosion software. I'm going to throw in how to make sales pages. I'm going to throw in a set of mockups that you can edit very, very easily. I'm going to throw in 40 ebook covers you can edit also super easily, so you can make money selling ebook covers as well as ebooks. I'm also going to give you a whole bunch of ebooks that you can give away or sell included with this package totally for free if you pick up any 2 upgrades worth at least $50 or more. Okay, you get all that stuff included. So let's go back and check out the members area real quick here. So this is the members area for side hustles. You're going to see here, basically, it's just a download link. You're going to download a PDF with all the things, and he explains exactly what these things are and how you can make money right away. His stuff is focused on making money within 30 days. I can tell you a lot of these things you can make money within 24 hours, not even 30 days. Okay, the stuff I'm giving you, you can start making money right away within 24 hours. You don't have to wait at all. It's going to be super simple to be able to make some serious money from this stuff. So that's pretty much it. There's nothing to this thing. Right now, it's going for $15. So a very, very good price. Okay, and it'll get you started right away with making more money. By the way, he's included now a new module on crypto tactics. I'm not a big fan of crypto, to be honest, because crypto's kind of gone downhill quite a bit, but you still make money from crypto. There's still money to be made from that. That's a nice extra bonus that you're going to have there as well. Again, this is all stuff you can make money without spending any money, without any special skills. So again, that's what this is designed for. If you need money now, because times are tough, this is going to get you started. This is going to get you going to make some serious money. So let's see if I'm going to formally give a tip of my hat to the product creator or not.
You rock!
Yeah, seriously, you rock. I really do like this a lot, because this is what people need right now. When things are tough, this is going to help you get started. Grab this. You're going to love it. It's going to make you money. You're going to be able to do this right now. The man behind me, if he wasn't a painting, he'd be giving me a tip of my hat. I give a huge tip of my hat, though. This is great. Christmas came early in October. Grab this. You're going to love it.